Wanna create a beautiful photo book but don't know where to start? In this video, I will walk you through how to make a photo book step by step using Snapfish. Quick, easy and perfect for beginners. And first go to the Snapfish website and log into your account. Once you are in, look at the top menu and click on photo books. This will take you to the section where you can start creating your book. Next, choose a style that fits your needs. You'll see different options like hardcover, softcover and various sizes. Pick the one that works best for you and for your project and budget. After that, click create now, or maybe it can be changed on your website, and then now you'll be asked to upload your photos. If you haven't already, select the image you want to include in your photo book and upload them. Once your photos are ready, Snapfish will give you two options: autofill or manual design. If you choose autofill, Snapfish will automatically arrange your photos into a book layout. This is great if you want something quick. If you chose manual, you can fully customize everything, move photos around, change layouts, and add text and adjust the backgrounds. Take your time here. You can drag and drop image, zoom in or out, and add captions to make your photo book more personal. You can also switch themes or layouts anytime if you want a different look. Once you are happy with your design, click preview or to review your entire book. Make sure everything looks good, check for alignment, spelling and image quality. After that, click add to cart, then proceed to checkout. Enter your shipping details, choose your delivery option and complete your payment. And that is it. You have just created your own photo book using Snapfish. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and check out my other step-by-step guides. See you in the next video.